Vox Master Vigdis. When you approach, Vigdis pulls away from fine-tuning another Vox and bows her head. "Lord Captain," the ship informed me of our imminent meeting. Vox Master Vigdis. I am the ears and the voice of this void ship. I supervise several dozen officers and 3 times that number of support personnel. We receive, send, encrypt, and decode all incoming and outgoing messages through the ship's internal and external channels, and we also ensure clean communications and the optimal efficiency of the crew's Voxcasters.